Okay, hi guys, I'm Vicky. In this video, I'm going to teach you Python pandas. Today is day 25. Today I did a simple project in pandas, and also in this video I covered basics of pandas. First of all, what is pandas? Pandas is a open source Python library that provides highly perform, easy to use the data structure and data analytics tools. It's built on the top of the NumPy library. NumPy is one of the library. By using NumPy library, we can do mathematical operations and which makes it highly efficient for working with numerical data. Okay, the key components of pandas includes data frame and series and index. So data frame is look like columns and row. So everyone uh, definitely work with Excel. This pandas data frame look like Excel. It has an index, it has a column name, it has a row, and we can do operations like filtering and sorting and deleting and adding. So we can do this much operation. So as I said before, pandas, by using pandas we can do data analytics. Okay, let's get started. Today is day 25. So I covered basics of pandas, and also I did one simple project by using metaplot and pandas. If you want this project link, you go and get this link on this video description. So I did this on day 23, but today is day 25. Okay. So import pandas as PD. So this is the package name, pandas as PD. So in this code, I can call pandas as PD. Data is equal to PD.data frame. So I converting these value into pandas data frame. Let me print this so you guys understand the data frame look like. Let's run this code. You see, it's look like Excel, right? There is a name, there is a age, there is a city. These all are the index. If you want to access this data, we can call by using index. So sorry, we can access this data by using index. Okay, coming to head. So what is this head method means? Let's run this code. So you see, I got only one row because of here I passed the argument as 1. So that's why I got 1. Now I want 5. I got 5 data. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you not pass any data, it will take as half of the value. Because you see, this total row is 9. Here is 5. So which means it takes half of the value. If you not any pass, if you not pass any data, if you pass any argument in this head method. Okay, let's move to info. What is info? By using info, we can find this data. This is the data variable. So I want to know this metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is a data of data. Okay, let's print this code. You see here I can see column, age and city, and I can see the data type, and I can see the not null, count, and the data type and the memory usage. So these are the metadata. Okay, and move to describe. By using describe, we can find the statistic about numeric column. So let's run this code. So these all are the statistics of age, because this is the only column has numeric value. So here I want to find the minimum of age. You see, the minimum of age is 12. The minimum of age is 12. I want to find the maximum of age. I want to find the mean value. I want to find the count, total count. The total count is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, the total count is 8. That's why we got 8. I hope you guys understand the concepts of describe, info, and head. Now I want to access only one column. So data is a variable. Inside the data there is a column named age. So I put this age inside this square bracket. Let me run this code. So I got only age. Now I want to print double column, city and age. So if you want to print double column, you can put this column name 2 square bracket inside the 2 square. Here this is the one column, this is a multiple column. So here I used only 1 square bracket, here I used 2 square bracket. So let's run this code. You see, I got 2 square column. Sorry, I got 2 column. Now I want to filter the data like conditional pages. Here you see the condition. This is the data. Inside the data, 1 square bracket and data and column name is equal to 90. So here what I'm saying, I want to only if the age is 90. I want to show that data. So how? By using this equal to. Let's run this code. You see, Kamal is a name, age is a 90, city is a Madurai. Only Kamal age is 90. That's why I got 90. If let's change this 26 to 90. Let's again run this code. I got 2 value. Bharathi age is also 90 and city is New York. Okay. And this is the very basic concept in pandas. Let's move to a little bit advanced. Okay. Now I import the data and this is the data type. Now coming to sum method. Okay, now I want to calculate. Let's command this so that you guys understand. Okay, now I want to find the sum of age. I want to count sum. So by using sum method, we can find the sum of age. Let's run this code. See, the total sum is 371. It's very simple. Now move to minimum and a maximum. Now I want to find the minimum of age and also I want to find the maximum of age. We used describe for find the statistic of numeric column. So we can find minimum and maximum by using this describe method also. Okay, but we saw this. Let's run this code. 12 and 90. 12 is the minimum, 90 is the maximum. Let's command this. Now I want to modify the single value. You see, data.at, by using this at, we can modify the single data in this data frame. Now I want to modify 0th index. 0th index means Bharathi and his age I want to change 30. But his age is actually 26. So let's run this code. You see here, Bharathi age has changed 26 to 30. Now I want to change multiple value. So if you want to access any multiple value, you can use local. So if you want to change single value, you can use at. Okay, local data name is equal to, if the name is equal to Kamal and change his age 60. Okay, but Kamal age is, what is Kamal age? 90. So now I want to change his age. It's 90 to 60. I need to print this. See, the Kamal age now changed 90 to 60. So let's uncommand this. If you want this link, you can get this link on this video description. So day 23, this is the folder, but today is day 25. Okay. Now coming to third example. This example, I'm using main method and group by method. This group by method is nothing but, I'll show you guys will understand. By using this group method, we can eliminate the duplicate value in data frame. And also by using this mean method, let's remove this mean method. First we go for group by method. Let's run this code. You see, so this is the input we get. The input it's like an object. So we don't want an object. We want a mean. So which means it remove the duplicate value and it will calculate the mean value. Let's run this code. You see, it remove all the duplicate value. Duplicate value here, there is a 2 Vijay, there is a 2 Babu. It remove Vijay and Babu. You see, Vijay area is 200. Vijay age is 30. And so it remove the duplicate value. I hope you guys understand. You do this by your own so that you guys get more so that you guys get more understanding of this concept. Let's move to how to find duplicate value. I want to find duplicate value in this data frame by using group by and a size method and a list method. See, data is a variable dot group by data dot column dot to list. I'm changing this column to list. Then I find the size. Let's run this code. See, this is the duplicate, and yeah, that is the only duplicate value. There is a two Vijay, but we got only one Vijay. Okay, because of the both Vijay having same data in age and area. You see, this Vijay name, his age is 30 and his area is 200. This Vijay age is 30, this Vijay area is 200. So it removes the duplicate. Now coming to the Babu, here is a Babu. Babu age is 23 and his area is 70. Another Babu age is 23, but his area is 0. So that's what we got output like this. So this is the duplicate value. Now I want to filter the duplicate data. So by using this dot size method, we are finding the duplicate. But now I want to find the duplicate value. Oh, sorry. Now I want to filter the duplicate value. So let's run this code. You see, it removed the duplicate Vijay. In this data we have two Vijay, but here we have only one Vijay. But we have two Babu because the age is same, but the area is different. That's why we got two Babu. So this is not duplicate. Okay, go to project. So I did the very simple project by using pandas and a metaplat. So these are the packages we are using for this project. So we have CSV file. By using this pd.read CSV, I'm reading the CSV file. So where is the CSV file? Here you see sales underscore data underscore CSV. So in this project, what we are going to do is we are doing analytics. So we are finding the monthly sales. You see, this is the January, this is a February, this is a March. So and amount, this is $1,000 and $1,500, and the region, this is a region. Okay. Now I want to find the monthly sales. How? It's very simple. Here I got the data. Let's command this and let's print the data. Print sales data. So I'll run this code. So I got the data. This is the CSV data. Okay, because I'm reading the CSV data by using pd.read underscore CSV. So here we can use this info or head if you want. So we already saw this method. Info and head. Okay, now I command this. Go to data analytics. This is the one of the important concept here. Okay, so this is the data. First I calling the data. This is the variable. Then this is the data. This data has my CSV dot group by. I'm grouping the data. Now PD. It's a panda start. I'm converting this date column to this method, to data method. Okay. Now I'm calling this dot t dot period. So I want monthly wise. If you want day wise, you can go with D. If you want a weekly wise, you can go with the W, caps W. Now finally I want to sum this amount. So if you are new to pandas, you will get a little confused. So if you do practice, you will easily understand this concept. This is very, very simple concept. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. In the line. Now move to print. I'm printing. Okay, let's run this code. You see, I command this. Let's run again. You see this. February we got $4,500 sales. January we got this sales. February, this is January, February, March. Okay, now go to data visualization. Now I want to view this data as chart. So how to do? Here I already import this metaplat. So metaplat, I want to visual the data as bar type. So I'm using bar. Okay, now the chart has a title. This is a title. The chart has x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is a month, y-axis is a total sales. Now let's run this code. You see this? So this is the data analytics looks like. So today is over. Already it takes more time. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt regarding this, you contact me on LinkedIn. I will respond to your questions. And if you want this project link, this pandas basics. So go to description and I attached this GitHub link, and this is day 23 project. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.